Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you what I've set up for my Easter decor. I didn't buy a lot this year because I'm focusing on my business, so I just wanted to go ahead and show you what I have set up. So this here J, I believe my sister got it last year on clearance at Kirkland's. And then I got this bunny welcome sign, which doesn't really match because it's checkered, or what do you call that, buffalo check. But I got that last year at Walmart. I also got the rug from Walmart. And then this welcome sign, I've had it for years. I've probably had it for a good 10 years, and I've got that from Michael's. So that's just all the decor I've set up outside, and now let's go inside. Okay, so inside, I'm going to show you my fireplace or my mantle. I have these cute little grass bunnies, and I usually pick them up at Michael's or Hobby Lobby or TJ Maxx. So those are the places that I've picked up, except for one I did get at World Market. So the one that's from World Market, I believe, is in the dining room. But yeah, these cute little grass bunnies, I just love them. But you have to be really careful when you store them because the ears fall off pretty easy. All right, and then I got this, what do you call this? This garland, this bunny tail garland. I believe I got that from Kirkland's. And then the sign that was in the middle, I made that one. And then these little eggs that I've seen them this year still. These are from Hobby Lobby and very inexpensive. And then these metal bunnies that are down here, these are from Round Top. My sister had gone to some kind of Round Top open house where they had a lot of these items discounted, and she picked up a bunch of stuff and let me choose what I wanted to buy from her. So yeah, I got all these things for my sister, who purchased it from it's like a boutique or a store called Round Top. It's not the city of Round Top, it's the place called Round Top. And then I have these little Easter blocks. I believe that these are from Hobby Lobby, and I've had these for several years. They're just really cute. Okay, showing you the little diva there. I didn't do anything in the living room other than putting those turquoise type color pillow covers on. And then this little guy sitting right here, he is from Hobby Lobby. He's just a wood cutout Easter bunny. And you'll notice that in my house, I don't have any crosses or anything or religious sayings. And it's not because I'm being anti-Easter or anti-religious, obviously. But I really like cutesy stuff. And I noticed when I was setting everything out that I don't have anything that's religious with Easter. So next year my goal is to change that. I purchased this little Easter bunny carrot patch. I believe I got that from the home store or Home Goods. And then this little mini rolling pin, I picked that up from Hobby Lobby. I had been seeing it all over Instagram and Pinterest, and so then I finally found for Valentine's and for Easter, I found me a couple of rolling pins, so I really do like them. This cute little plaid towel came from Walmart, I believe, but then all the rest of my towels come from TJ Maxx or Marshall's or Home Goods. On this little tray on my island, I have this basket. It's a pink glass basket, and I just have a candle in it. I got that from Home Goods. And then that cute little bunny with the plant inside is from TJ Maxx, and I got that on clearance last year, so I'm really happy that I picked it up. And then I have these, what is it? Spring is Here placemats that I got, or Hello Spring. I got these from Big Lots. I got those from Big Lots a couple of years ago. And then the last thing I have in this living room is this little basket. And since this filming of this video, I've put some eggs in there. So that basket does have something in it. But that's all for my living room and my kitchen. Walking into my entryway, I just hung this little bunny. I believe it's a burlap sack with a little bunny tail. And then I put that little ribbon on it. And that's it. It just looks really cute because it's like a bunny facing backwards and its cute little bunny tail. And then I have these grass bunnies, these green grass or moss bunnies. They're moss. I got those from Hobby Lobby along with that sign. That's a purchase for this year. The rolling pin and that sign and just a few other things were purchased this year, but mostly everything I have is from last year. So here on my little table entry, I guess, I don't know what you would call it, this little entry table, I have this little cute little moss bunny. I have that white ceramic bunny. I believe the Moss Bunny is from Hobby Lobby. That little decor right there, I believe, is from Hobby Lobby. And then this little book stack, this little faux book stack, that's from Hobby Lobby. I purchased that this year. And then the little ceramic bunny that I didn't give you a chance to look at is from Hobby Lobby at some point, I believe. It was Hobby Lobby or TJ Maxx, I'm not sure. Then I wanted to show you this runner. I actually got this runner, and it's double-sided. I actually got it right after Valentine's Day when they marked everything down for like 75 or 90% off. I got it for $3, and it's this pink checkered plaid, or this buffalo check in pink, and it goes really good with all my spring decor. So I'm like, heck yeah, let me use that. So then I have this cute buffalo check plaid and these different pastel colors for Easter, and then this garland. These are both from Hobby Lobby. So I've had those things. And then taking you over, do you see these cute little bunnies with the plants in them? I got those also last year. I had picked up one, and then I picked up a second one, which I'm so glad I did, when they went on clearance after, actually, when TJ Maxx opened back up after everything, remember it shut down last year because of COVID. Then I picked it up when everything was like 75% when they reopened. So just showing you everything that's in my tiered tray. Most of these things I already had. The only thing I picked up was these little white, see this little guy right here? It's coming, it's right to the right. This little, like, it looks like a milk jug. I picked that up, and there's another one that looks like a pitcher. It's a metal milk pitcher. I picked those up this year also with that beaded garland. So I really didn't purchase a lot this year. Like I said, I was trying to just focus on the business that I'm starting. And so just picked up a little few things here and there. I probably spent maybe like $25 on Easter. And normally I go crazy picking up and picking out, you know, Easter or Christmas or Thanksgiving decor. But this year I calmed my spending and just picked up a few things. I did get that cute little bunny that's backwards, you know, with his little bunny tail. I got that at Walmart. He was very inexpensive. And then this garland I got last year, I believe, at Walmart. There's the little guy that I got from World Market. And then this little guy, I believe, is probably from Hobby Lobby. But that's pretty much it. I believe that I have shown you everything except one little sign that's on my garage door that I will show you in a second. But all these things here are, you know, pretty much reused every year. That's why I always say, if you're going to purchase decor, stay with a theme. My theme obviously is pastel colors. I love it. And I just, every year, I can incorporate new things into that theme. So then this little sign right here is from the Dollar Tree. I did forget I have one more area to show you. I decorate my guest bathroom with just a few things. So I'm going to take you over to my guest bathroom and show you what I have in there. For some reason the lighting was really awful, but there is a white towel and it says Happy Easter. Yeah, it says Happy Easter. And then this little ceramic bunny is from Hobby Lobby. And then I have this cute little tree that is from Round Top. And then that cute little truck is from Hobby Lobby, and that is also purchased this year. So that's it. That's it for my Easter decor. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you like me, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you want to see in the future, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.